How to change a string into uppercase. I have problem in changing a string into uppercase with Python. In my research, I got string.ascii_uppercase, but it doesn't work. The following code gives this error message. My question is, how can I convert a string into uppercase in Python?
Use str.upper. See string methods.
To get uppercase version of a string, you can use str.upper. On the other hand, string.ascii_uppercase is a string containing all ASCII letters in uppercase.
To make the string uppercase, just simply type. Simple and easy. You can do the same to make it lower too, etc.